what store this is, or shop. All right, so today's run is return to the Northside. A lot of great little restaurants here on the North Shore, or I should say Northside. I mean, look at this porch, the details, stone, the arch, and right down the street from your awesome house, you have a park. And you could literally walk to downtown and real tennis courts right down the street from where you live. National Aviary. You can check out some really cool birds. All right, here's our last stop, Beans or Coffee. We ran from there a couple weeks ago. Now we're exploring this side of the north side. Who'd have thunk it that the north side was this nice? Like I said, most people only come here to park for a Pirate game or Steeler game. It's really nice out here. Northside was known for being a rough neighborhood. Still is. You gotta be smart about it. You gotta be careful. There's no arguments there. Look at who this is. Wow. Perfect timing. All right, so now we're in a part called Deutschtown, little Germantown. This is where a lot of the German immigrants came to Pittsburgh for the first time. It's also called Old Allegheny. It was a place where the Pirates played for the first time. There it is, the James Street Music Tavern and building. They did a great job in renovating it. Hopefully they'll have live music and restaurants there soon. Looks like I wasn't the only one that wanted to go out for a run today. March of Dimes 5K. All right, back to my run. Just like that, we're downtown. It's a nice little workout there. A little crew on the river. I think my crew is almost there for coffee, so I need to start working my way back. A lot of cool stuff to do on the north side. You got sports, you got science, you got birds, hopefully music too, when they open up James Street Tavern. That was a good run. Now let's find this coffee shop. Add a what? Add some sugar, add some cream to my coffee.